Mr. Chairman, sir, we do that.
I don't want to something herself.
It's okay, madam. It's okay, madam. It's okay, madam.
Auntie, you can't respect yourself. Shut up and take him out. Smell him out. Smell him out. Look like a dog. Look at you. Big fool. Fool at 70. Fool at 70. How can you talk like that? After being a senator.
I take exception
What do you
to
mean?
a senator.
Why are you talking to me like that?
You are a disgrace to the Senate.
You are an insult to womanhood.
You are
an insult to womanhood. And you are here to tell the world that you have not changed.
You cannot
You are here
violate
to
my
tell the
right.
world that you have not changed.
You
At
are
70, you have not changed.
you are a
And we're
scoundrel.
stopping to take it. I will not
You
take
are
it.
a
I
scoundrel.
will not take it.
To insult
That is why you can never be here. People like you can never be here. People like you can never be here. How can you be? How can you be a fool?
not a hooligan.
You are a hooligan.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Chairman of the committee. Chairman of the
And you say I should keep my mouth shut. Who are you to say so?
Chairman.
Who are you to? Are you the presiding officer?
Chairman.
Who are you?
Okay, I'll put some.
And you refuse.
Chairman of the committee.
Mr. Chairman, sir. Mr. Chairman, sir.
Chairman.
You are here to disturb the
Mr. Chairman, sir.
Chairman of the committee.
Mr. Chairman,
Chairman of the committee.
Mr. Chairman.
Chairman of the committee. Chairman of the committee. Chairman of the committee. Hello. Chairman of the committee. Hello. Chairman of the committee. My distinguished colleagues and the petitioner and those who came to defend the petition. I am Senator Dicket Blanc. I move a motion that we adjourn this meeting because